guys, Jennifer here with the Family Fudge, and I think right now is the best time of the year to enjoy some delicious and festive treats. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite Christmas mug cake recipes that you should try this holiday season. First up, one of my personal favorites, the sugar cookie in a mug. This single serving sugar cookie comes out so fresh and warm. It's super soft and thick. If you love sugar cookies, you've got to give this a try. Next up, I'm making an eggnog tres leches mug cake. This cake is super creamy and has that rich eggnog flavor in every bite. This next one is a holiday twist on that viral Oreo mug cake. Now, I love the mint Oreos and the candy cane pieces in this. It is such a great, refreshing Christmas flavor. Now, I love the mint and chocolate together, and of course it never hurts when you add a little bit of ice cream and chocolate sauce on the top. Next up is a Nutella hot cocoa mug cake that is super chocolatey and delicious. Now, of course, anything with Nutella is going to be delicious, but I think this cake tastes just like hot cocoa in a cake form. finally, we're making a rich and gooey gingerbread inspired mug cake. Now for the final touch, I've added some gingerbread flavored whipped cream. And of course, you could top this off with ice cream, whipped cream, sprinkles. I am a huge fan of that Biscoff spread. It does taste a lot like gingerbread, but it's not so sharp. This cake comes out so moist and ooey gooey. It is so good. Now you guys, let me know in the comments down below which one of these mug cakes you'll be trying first. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.